Hey guys, Pro YouTube Gaming here, and today we're going to be playing Nitro Type again, because you guys loved the last video. Well, a few of you did. Actually, none of you didn't. I got no dislikes at all. So, we're back in as Pro YT Gaming, and I figured out there is a way to make capitals. If you go onto my profile up top here, and then make your display name, I don't think it'd fit Pro YouTube Gaming though. Let's see. But there is a problem though. Title, I'm just gonna say this one. Gender, male. I don't think I need that. Update race profile. Error, you must reach at least level 7. So we're gonna do this once we get to level 7. First, let's get back to our garage. So we have our mystery box. Let's claim it. Ready? Boom. And you earned 220 XP. Check back tomorrow for the next mystery reward. Oh, yummy, yummy XP. So, anything else I need to do? Doesn't look like it. And also, if you go stats, though, this is something. There's this over here. So my high speed is 37. Dealership. So we're back here before. I think I should buy a new car. Any of these. Misuix, whatever that says. Misuix Toad. Winston, I kind of want this one. Winston Citroen. How much money do I have though? Stats. 15,000. Alright, let's go race. Okay. Oh, that's a big word. Go. Understanding how to put together an effective garden for your terrain type would enhance, that means your landscape. I'm not a good typer. I'll sort around, but sort of not. Because, oh yeah, I'm level 4. Wait, did I even get to level 3 last time? I don't remember. Oh wait, look at that. Look at that car. The macro. I only had the silly old Misuix Lion. That's in an awesome golden car. Yep, we're buying a new car. We're buying a new car. Okay. Which one should we get? We only have, wait, I think we have some more now. We have 17,000. We might want to do one more race. Oh, I even see it says up here. Alright. 17. One ace looks cool. Level 8 I can get these. That one looks cool. So does that. Oh, that's a lot though. I think I should get one ace. Yep, that guy looks cool. But unfortunately we don't have enough, so let's go race again. We're gonna do better this time. My name's not gonna be this anymore. Wait, are these all real people? I know he is, definitely. Not sure about you two. Oh, he just left. I'm not sure about you either. Come on, join, yeah. Wait, is that the same guy? I was here just a second ago. Type people, then lay the bricks out in a sun to dry, which can take several weeks. When they dry, coming first. Dry the Adobe